of rupees 6,259.72 crores has been credited to 21.55 lakh students. Similarly, Jagannath Basati Divana scheme is being implemented to provide assistance to the eligible students for food and hostel expenses. In a first of its kind initiative in the country, the government is crediting rupees 10,000 for ITI students, rupees 15,000 for polytechnic students, and 20,000 for those pursuing degree and other courses in 2 installments per annum to every eligible student. This facility is being extended to all the eligible students in the family, irrespective of the number. Amount is directly credited to the bank account of mothers of students. So far, an amount of rupees 2,304.97 crores has been credited to 18.77 lakh eligible students. Health and nutrition. The first wealth is health. Ralph Waldo Emerson. My government is providing universal